Tip 69. Traveling. In USA, 1L. In UK, double L. By plane. By train. By vessel. By yacht. By motorcycle. By car. Dialogue. Is everything ready for the trip? Yes, it is. What time does my plane leave? At 1 p.m. What time do I have to be at the airport? At 11:30 a.m. You have to leave at 11 a.m. Where is my ticket? It's on your desk. How will I go from the airport to the hotel? The car rental is also ready. And the hotel confirmation. You have reservations at the Jequitibá Hotel. It's downtown. The phone number and address are on the confirmation email. 256-8233. I think everything is in order. See you on Wednesday. See you. Have a good trip. Thank you. What happened? Mr. Brown has a meeting in Garuja. His secretary, Maria, has already organized everything for the trip, including the ticket, the car rental, and the hotel. He'll drive from the airport to the Jequitibá Hotel. He is scheduled to return on Wednesday after the meeting. Tip 69. Exercise. Answer. What time does the plane leave? The plane should leave around 12:30 p.m. What time does Mr. Brown have to be at the airport? He should be at the airport at 11:30 p.m. Where is Mr. Brown's ticket? It's on his desk. Which hotel does he have reservations at? He has reservations at Jequitibá Hotel. What is the telephone number for the Jequitibá Hotel? The number is 256-8233. When will he return from his trip? He will return on Wednesday. Fishing. The secretary issued his ticket. He has to be at the airport at 8. The phone number is on the confirmation email. The staff knows the departure time. I am waiting for confirmation of the car rental. They are waiting for the call.